Welcome to Innovation Synergy, a leading provider of cutting-edge online courses in digital marketing analysis and strategies, as well as artificial intelligence integrations for sales growth and engagement. At Innovation Synergy, our mission is to empower individuals and businesses to thrive in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. We believe that by equipping our learners with advanced knowledge in digital marketing and the strategic implementation of AI, they can achieve unprecedented growth and success in their endeavors. Participants will learn how to harness the power of analytics tools to identify and understand target audiences, leverage data to create accurate buyer personas, ensuring highly targeted and personalized campaigns, optimize marketing budgets, analyze campaign performance, allocate resources effectively, and maximize ROI. Enhance brand awareness and online presence. Utilize data insights to develop winning strategies and engage with the right audience at the right time. In all the courses, learners will gain insights into proven techniques and cutting-edge methodologies to harness the power of social media, optimize conversion rates, implement landing page optimization, and other tactics to convert prospects into loyal customers. With the Artificial Intelligence Integrations courses, participants will understand how AI can revolutionize sales and customer engagement. Are you ready to take your digital marketing and sales strategies to the next level? We are ready when you are.